Double stops are tricky business on violin. If you need help with that, please let me know. I'll be glad to connect and maybe schedule a lesson. If you guys enjoyed this video, I hope that you will give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Also, I wish to invite you to my Patreon page, also as well as my YouTube membership page. This is a great way to show your support if you like what I'm doing and you'd like to see me continue this way. Thank you very, very much.